Yes,
go.
yes.
Yes. Oh.
I don't think it's oil-based, but it has like grain in it, like it's exfoliation. It's good for like getting the grease off your hands after you've been working in the shop. Yeah, I happen to have that at home though because.
Nice.
Most aerialists ask me, does aerial chains hurt? Yes, it does, initially. But pain is mental and mostly rooted in the brain. I've been through a fair share of emotional pain, which has caused me to be resilient and develop a high pain tolerance. I've learned to cope emotionally with years of pushing my body to the limits in athletics, fitness, marathon training, aerials, of course, as well as tattoos and piercings. Each time I try a new move on chains, just like earlier in this reel, yes, it hurts, but over time, your body adjusts and no longer signals to your brain that it's painful or in danger, since your body knows it's safe, it knows you're safe. Significantly warming up and having mobile muscles decreases pain, but also does adrenaline. I rarely warm up before a show, or I just warm up minimally, and I don't feel a thing when I'm performing because my adrenaline is through the roof. Creating a mantra may also help you push through any pain as well. I am resilient. Pain is temporary. My mind achieves what my body believes. Those are just a few mantras that can help you push through and allow you to be resilient and enjoy the chains over time. I hope you enjoyed this series of the 4 most common questions I receive as an aerial chains performer.